Hey freaking guys, I'm having a freaking fantastic
And I can't have none of
afternoon.
that shit.
So be looking at me like that. Yeah, so guys, we are outside real quick. Be out here for a little bit. Hey guys, please if you haven't smashed that subscribe button, do it now. 5 seconds. Come on guys, start counting now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, thank you for subscribing. Please make sure you stay subscribing to my channel, because man, my channel is gonna go outrageous as soon as I get figured out as days come.
Whataburger.
She's over there crying for Whataburger. So guys, as days progress, I'm gonna be thinking of new content. Sitting down yesterday thinking, applying for jobs. Things should be getting better as times go by. Let's see what happens. I still don't know. But figure things out. I still have some ideas, but I'm gonna see if I can put them in today or in the next couple of days. So let's see what I find out. Oh yeah, and also since today is Father's Day. Well, happy Father's Day to all the freaking fathers out there that struggle and strive and do much for their children. So I really, really appreciate that, because I am a father myself and I struggled and I managed to do it. And that's why I use the word freaking. It is freaking tough being a father. It can be easy, it could be tough, depending on your situation and what type of work you do and everything you do. So what do you do for your kids? But your kids appreciate it no matter what you do. Right, baby?
Oh,
You didn't even get hit!
yes I did.
You freaking hit the ball, it ain't
No,
you!
it hit me. That's why it's standing, because it was going to fall this way and hit my other one.
Just this. That hit you. Just that hit you. Just the top.
Yeah.
That hurt you. That really hurt you.
Oh,
Oh my freaking god.
bro.
What else? So, let's keep our day going. We're gonna take off walking in a little while. Another walking day. And maybe I'll do some crazy stuff out there. Well, we'll figure it out. Maybe I'll get hit by a car. Maybe I'll jump onto a pile of grass. Maybe I'll jump into a pool. Maybe I'll jump into a basketball court. No one knows what I would do. I just know I need a haircut. Income, where are you, Income? I need a haircut. I need it. It's getting too bushy. I'm shedding hairs already. And freaking feels like I'm actually shedding, man. I'm losing hairs. I hate it when my hair gets this long, guys. This one over here is watching videos. So, yeah. Well, guys, let's see what happens for the rest of the day. So I'm here ranting, talking, and we'll continue. Beautiful day. Beautiful day outside. It's a freaking wonderful, fantastic day. Well, guys, we just ended up crashing out. And we just got up. We're gonna stay for like, what, 2 hours? It's 7:45. Almost two and a half hours. And I'm freaking tired, man. Well, let's just see what happens. Yeah, I don't know. I think we might end up still walking. Up to her. So, I'll let you know what happens. And thought it was gonna be an amazing day today, but I don't know. It ended up crashing out. See what happens. Well, guys, I'm ending the vlog today. Freaking tired. My beautiful over here is asleep. She's covered up right there. Can't see her. So, I'm ending it, going to end it today. We really just went outside, sat for a little bit, got dark. Because we had taken a nap. So, going in, like I said, end the vlog. So please guys, please make sure you smash that thumbs up right down here somewhere. Wherever it's at. And don't forget to like our videos. Make sure you smash it. And don't forget to turn on my post notifications so you will never ever miss a new video. And we will see you guys tomorrow. And I hope you all do enjoy. And please don't miss out on content that will be coming out real soon. So stay tuned.